Thank you for purchasing Adsvirally, and this is Adsvirally step-by-step training guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Adsvirally account, and my name is Shiogundele. So the first thing you need to do is to check the email that was sent to you, which contains the username for your Adsvirally account and also the password. So once you have access to it, you visit your Adsvirally site, which is something like this. So when you get there, you log in with your username and password. So once you log into your Adsvirally account, then locate where we have Adsvirally on the menu. This is the only part you have business with. Forget about every other menu on that dashboard. And if you tamper with any menu, it can affect your account. So focus strictly on this menu, which is Adsvirally. So you click on it. So once you click on it, it loads the page and bring out this page. Now, these are the normal settings you need to do first before you can start using your Adsvirally accounts. Also, there are also video tutorials that put you through on how to do that as well. So now the first thing you need to do is to enter your app ID. Now you need to create a Facebook app ID. You need a Facebook app in order to make Adsvirally work, which is very easy to create. All you have to do is to go to developers.facebook.com. developers.facebook.com. So once you're there, you come to my app. I already created a lot of apps. You click on add new app. You give the app name, Adsvirally. You click on create app ID. Ask you for security check. So now robot, bicycle, okay, good. Then you click on submit. Now once you create the app, that's how to create app in minutes. As you can see, this is the name of the app. So the next thing you need to do is to come to settings, basic. Then you copy this app ID, go back to your Adsvirally account, post the app ID, then we need the app secrets. You come back to this place, click on show, so you can see the app ID. So I'll type my password for that to come up. So it shows the app secret immediately. So all I have to do is just to copy the app secret, go back to my Adsvirally dashboard, paste the app secret there. Can you see that? So that's how to get the app ID and app secret. The next thing I'm going to do is to complete the setup of my Facebook app. So the app domain, I'm going to copy the app domain here. Now your own app domain is going to be adsvirally.com/ to be adsvirally.com/ your username or any name that was used to create the account for you. So you copy this full URL. Then once you copy it, you come to this place and paste it there. But in my own case, I'll just use adsvirally.com. Can you see that? I'll post the same thing here too. Can you see that? Same thing here. And then you choose category, just select business and pages. You can select any categories here. I think is okay with you. So once I'm done, you can upload the logo here. Just choose an image you want to use. You select the file here. As since I don't have an image here. Then this option, just select support my own business. Once you're done, just click on save changes. Okay, good. We've saved the app. So the next thing we want to do is to come to this place, click on add platform, then select websites. Then put in your website here again. Your website is https://advirally.com/your name. So once you copy that again, you paste it here. You see, once you're done, just click on save changes. Okay, good. So once we're done saving changes to our app, the next thing we want to do is to validate these redirecting URLs. So how do we do that? We have to create an application. So you just come to products, click on this product here. So once you get to the add products page, just click on Facebook login. As you can see, click on the setup. And it will take you to a page where you can set up the redirected URL that we need to copy from our Adsvirally account, which is this. So I want you to really pay attention here. So let's go back to the page. You select this option, web. The site is okay. Save it, then come back to this side and click on settings. Now, this is where we're going to paste the URL from our Adsvirally settings. Can you see you copy this first one? Copy it like that. You paste it here. Then you press enter. Then the next thing is you're going to type another one, which is your own website name. Remember, your website name will always have your name at the end. So you copy it complete like that. Then slash process. Can you see? But in my own case, I don't have any sub name. I'll just type in advirally.com / in your own case you put username / process. Do you get? But in my own case I'll just put / process. So you have your own site name which is different, you always see it's there. Then once you're done, you click on save changes. Once the changes have been saved, just on your app here to make it go public. Click on. So to go public, just click on confirm. Okay, good. You can see your app is now live now. So you can go back to your Adsvirally account. So the last but not the least is we want to get our access token. Now how do you get this access token, which is from Facebook as well? It's very simple. All you have to do is to go to your Facebook page. Once you get to your Facebook page, go to your profile page exactly. You can see your profile page is your own main page. Once you get there, then right click on it. Right click on the page and click on view page source, or you can just press Ctrl U to do that. So click on view page source. It will open another tab. Now on this tab you see a lot of codes. All you have to do is to press Ctrl F. Ctrl F. Press this on your keyboard. So I'll do that. Ctrl F, which is to find. So you now search for access underscore token. You go there again, you search for access underscore token. This is what you search for. So let me go back there. So I search for it. Actually looking for a token. Now this is the one we're talking about, the one that has semicolon and all this. So you copy it from where this quotation mark is. You copy it down to where the quotation mark ends here. Can you see that? Once you copy it, you go back to your Adsvirally account, paste it here. Can you see that? Once you're done, just click on Save Changes. You can see Save Changed. Then the next thing is to click on Connect to Facebook, to connect your Adsvirally to your Facebook account. So let me click on the Connect to Facebook button and let's see what happens. You can see Adsvirally to receive your name. Click on Continue as shown. Good. So my Adsvirally accounts, you can see successful connection to show daily. You can always reconnect here. So it's as simple as that. Thank you for watching.